Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Red Oak, local and long distance movers near me. 3 Movers is the best company to choose if you're moving from a city into Red Oak or changing houses within the two. We offer a less stressful option for such a move, ensuring a smooth ride. Local moves usually seem like a little task because of the short distance. However, it's a lot of struggle when you try to do it alone. Our moving experience is one of the perks of hiring 3 Movers. You trust our Red Oak local movers to handle all your belongings properly. We've had experience with the most complex household things over time, hence it's easy for us to take your things. We know where it's easy to carry items from and how best to load them into the truck. This experience is a massive plus while handling items. Moving out of Red Oak to a far distance outside the state or country is usually overwhelming. It requires a lot of work, and generally, new Red Oak, Iowa movers may not be your best option. Long distance moves require a bit of experience because of the unique challenges that you'll face. The first issue that bothers most clients with long distance trips is the safety of their belongings over such distances. Luckily, long distance is our primary strength at 3 Movers. Our Red Oak long distance 3 Movers have the best measures to safeguard your items through the journey. After loading, we'll use solid ropes and tapes to keep things firm and compact throughout the journey. This firmness and the careful driving of our team will ensure their safety. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Red Oak moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.